Today we're removing the battery on the Mini Countryman R60. Now the battery is located under this panel here. And what's a little bit frustrating about this is you need to remove this scuttle here, and it splits here, just under the wiper. Now, I know there's a service position that you can put most Minis in, but it doesn't seem to be working on this. I believe that the wiper should be able to be put in that position, and then you don't need to remove it in order to remove this scuttle. But it's not working on this car. I don't know why. I don't know if it'll work on other people's, but it means that we're going to have to remove the wiper. So we've got a 15mm nut. So don't remove the nut fully straight away. Sometimes with wiper blades, you can sort of press them to release them, which has actually worked on this, and to get them off the spline. If you do struggle to get the wiper arm off, then you'll be needing a puller tool, a wiper puller tool, which goes round the arm, and you need to make sure you leave the nut on, otherwise it'll damage the thread, and you'll use that tool to pull it off. So now you should have two 10mm plastic nuts to remove from this side. So these scuttles, they sort of sit in a channel just under the glass on the screen, so you'll obviously don't use any metal tools. So slowly the trim will come out of the slot, and then you can slide it away from the A-pillar. And out of the way. Disconnects the negative lead. 10mm nuts. Tuck it down out of the way for now, while we disconnects the positive lead as well. And now this is the clamp that's holding the battery down. Now this rotor been removed since the factory, so 13 years ago. Don't forget to undo the overflow. Pull the battery forward slightly because it sits under a ledge at the back, and then you should be able to lift it straight out. Refitting is the reversal of removal. Make sure the battery's seated in at the back. And refit the drain. Feed the clamp down. So reconnects the positive first. Battery terminals don't need to be too tight. Now the rest is reversal of removal, but I will show you a trick when refitting these scuttles. So these sort of plasticky rubber tracks where the scuttle slots into, they do get a bit mucky, and what it helps to do when refitting is clean out the track, make sure it's not full of muck. And this makes refitting much easier. So we've got to slot it back into below the ear pillar. Make sure that these are fully down, because if these aren't sealed, you end up with water leaking down below the windscreen, which can cause rot and all sorts of issues, especially if you've got ECUs and things down there. Just try to get the wiper in the same position it was when it was removed. They do sit quite low on this screen. Thanks for watching. I do hope this video has helped. If it has, please do leave a comment. For more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel. Thank you.